Yes, so I give you one more of them cheap car video there. So I go search and find the cheapest set of car we're not gonna find anywhere. You see me I did me I show no what I want and I show the price. So if you are interested or you look at vehicle you know, or maybe I think about a vehicle, watch the video till the end and see all of what's available now, the price them for them. And if you want you could even contact and buy some of them. You see what I mean? So don't forget to hit the like button, brother, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section because that is how I know if you don't like them type of video and continue doing these types of videos. Okay, so here we have a 2013 Nissan Note. So this is a Nissan Note, and this Nissan Note is being sold for $380,000. You see me? So these Nissan Note usually sells for a lot more money. So we take a closer look at it and then we talk a little bit about it. So straight off at the bat, we can tell say, yo, the front of the vehicle here looking pretty good, pretty okay. No signs of damages there. There's a slight dent there on the tailgate or the trunk area right there, but that's look like really minor right there. The back seat area here is looking pretty good. No signs of damages there. Seats are in pretty good condition. Nothing out of the usual there. Nothing we're talking about from the interior there. Roofing of the vehicle here looking pretty good as well. Nothing out of the usual there. Back here the vehicle here looking pretty okay. No signs of damages there. So yes man, and again the side of the vehicle looking pretty good. Nothing we're talking about here. But a quick note where we can notice still, if we look really closely upon the picture, we can see here, right here, that is a cherry picker. That is called a cherry picker, and that is used to remove engine. Also we have a jack right there. So more than likely this place that it is parked is a mechanic place, or it had some serious work done before. Why else would these things be there? So either it's at a mechanic shop or this person also does mechanic work, but we don't know. We are speculating based on what we can find or the clues that we see in the pictures. So the back area again looking pretty okay, nothing out of the usual there. The door cover and the inside area right here looking pretty good as well. And they did not post any more pictures of this vehicle, but this is what they had to say about it. So they said, driving vehicle, car selling as it is, few parts, needs few parts, call or WhatsApp this number to contact them about it. So if you're interested, you could contact them. But the thing about it is it looks like the vehicle is in Montego Bay, so you know, so it's for a little ways out. You see me? So if you're there or if you're near there and you want to check it out, you could call that number, carry a mechanic and go check it out. But we just got to move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have a 2011 Mazda Demio. You see what I mean? So this Mazda Demio is selling for $450,000. I think the price is a little bit high based on the damage that I can see right now. But we have to take a closer look at it. So straight up, we can see the front of the vehicle looking relatively okay. The bumper look like that one bag of scuff mark. The bonnet need a repair. The top of the car look like it's gonna need a repair. So you might as well just spray the entire car. You see what I did? So the side here vehicle looking pretty okay as well. As you may at least the side here. If you can just cut your eye, imagine that the damages on the front here isn't there. Did that look pretty good? But one of them things in the back here, the vehicle looking pretty okay as well. As far as me can see, this vehicle just needs a proper spray job, because I not really see no broken tail light, nothing worth changing from the side, you know. So the inside the area looking pretty good. Seats are in okay condition, and the side area again looking pretty okay. So they did not post any more pictures of this vehicle, man. But this is a 2011 Mazda Demio, and this one is selling for $450,000, but the price is negotiable. So you probably get it for 4 bills flat, maybe 350 if you know if you negotiate. But what we are gonna do, we just got to move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have a Toyota Mark X. So this is the old shape Mark X, and this one is selling for $630,000. I'm straight up, I don't really like when I see so far, because we can see some damages on the front area right there. It don't look as bad, but it just look a little bit off. And the price, I don't know. So the back area again, look on it now, we can see some serious damages in the back area. So we can see this back trunk area here is sinked in. We can see some little flaking and some little thing on the side area right there. Yes, man, it look like they want some work. The back area again, we can get a closer look on the back damage. It's not as bad, means that the trunk could probably be repaired. You don't probably have to replace it, you probably could just repair it. and it should be in relatively okay condition. The side here look relatively okay. Me that's just relatively. Yes, me it look like it kind of been parked. Me don't know. Me can't tell you anything about the vehicle because we don't know none of the vehicle them personally. So again, the side here the vehicle does look pretty okay. You see what me I did, and they did not post any more pictures of this 2007 Toyota Mark X, but this is what they had to say about it. So they said needs a spray job due to the hurricane, and that's about it. So they said 2007 Toyota Mark X selling as it is. So we just are going to move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have a 2016 VW. You see what I mean? So this one is selling for 590,000. I think the price is pretty good based on the vehicle car, you know. So I'm gonna take a closer look and see what's going on. So the front here of the vehicle looking pretty good, pretty clean, not out of the usual lane, nothing we're talking about at the front. The inside area looking pretty clean as well, not out of the usual. Seats are in pretty good condition. Nothing we're talking about there. So they did not post any more pictures of this vehicle, but let's see what they have to say in the description. So they said in good condition, needs a transmission. Oh, should I start with that though? Yeah, man, probably should I start with that. So I'm not really recommend vehicle that needs like a transmission or engine work, because these are serious jobs. You see me I did, so we will just cancel out this and we just gonna move on to the next one. So okay, so here we have a 2005 BMW 5 Series. You see what I mean? So it's a little bit older shape, you see me, but it's selling for 600,000. Probably could get for like 555 bills if you know if you negotiate. But straight off at the back we can see the front of the vehicle here looking pretty okay. No signs of damages there. Paint is looking pretty good on the front there, and again nothing in this picture that's we're talking about. And they did not post any more pictures of this 2005 BMW 5 Series selling for 600,000. So this is what they have to say in the description area. So they said just need a little TLC, inside clean, call or text this number if you're interested. But what we are going to do, we are going to move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have a Mazda 2012 Mazda Premacy. This one is selling for 400,000 negotiable. Is zero me and with, and we are going to take a closer look at it. So straight up we can tell, so the front of the vehicle looking pretty okay. Look like it has been parked, judging by this picture. The side of the vehicle looking pretty okay. There's the front wheel is flat right here, so that suggests that it has been parked here for a while. You see me back here look relatively okay. It miss like on trim thing after the door angle right here. Also it miss the Mazda logo also. So those are some small things still, and again they did not post any more pictures of this vehicle, but let's see what they had to say in the description. So they said 2012 Mazda Premacy, 400 negotiable, having starting issue. So if it's a starting issue, it's not that bad. You probably could get a mechanic there and get it up and running. If it's just a starting issue, meaning some maybe like the starter, maybe there's a little electrical work, but as long as you get in ignition, you probably could get this working. And again, it's a starting issue, so maybe it starts sometime, maybe it doesn't start. Me no know. Carry a mechanic if you're interested in something like this, but the price is not that bad. But when time them sell it for so cheap and them list a little problem like that, it could be something major. So what we are gonna do, we are just gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have a Toyota Mark X. You see what I mean? This is the old shape again, man, and we can say this one wanna look pretty clean. This one is selling 850,000, and I think the price is not the best. It could be a little bit cheaper, but me no know. We have to take a look at it and see if it's worth it. So the front here of the vehicle looking pretty clean, like super clean, very clean looking paint. Headlight is the slightest bit filled, but you probably could get away with a buff and a polish to get that perfect. The side here of the vehicle looking pretty okay. It have some nice aftermarket wheels right here, looking pretty good. Those wheels look really nice and sporty. That looks like at least maybe like a 18 or a 19-inch set of wheels, looking really good. So the side here vehicle here again looking pretty good. No signs of damages there. Paint is looking in pretty good condition, nothing worth talking about. And the side here, the back side here the back side area, get it? Anyway, the back side area here looking pretty okay as well, nothing worth talking about, looking pretty clean. And again, the bumper on the back area here looking really good. Having a bumper lip thing right there, looking really good, looking really sporty. It actually fit this vehicle here, you see me. And again, the other side here looking pretty okay. Nothing we're talking about there. Yes man, this is a clean looking vehicle, and the interior part right here is looking pretty good as well. But like the pair couldn't trim on the mark extend, it look like the dashboard have some little cracks on there, but these are really slight cracks, and I don't think these are really nothing major. Here looking pretty okay as well. Yes, you remember the seats are in pretty okay condition. You can see them throw down some things there, but that's not my business there. And again, a close out picture of the wheels and the vehicle looking really good. And again, these wheels look like at least it have to be at least like a 18-inch set of wheels. You see me? So yes man, and again the side here again looking pretty good, pretty okay, nothing we're talking about there. So again, the price on this Toyota Mark X is 850,000. Maybe you could get it like 8 bills flat, or maybe you could get it for like 750. If you really know if you negotiate, I think it's pretty clean. I understand why them prices so high, because it's pretty clean. It is almost a flawless vehicle, almost. So again, what we are gonna do, we are just gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have a 2017 VW, what you call this, wagon, no man, what you call this, pickup, I don't know what you call this, but anyways, it's a 2017 VW, we take a closer look at it. So anyways, straight off of the bat, we can tell that the side here the vehicle looking pretty good. It's a two-door vehicle, and again, obviously we can say it's a pickup vehicle right there. I like the year pan because 2017 vehicle normally sell for a lot more money than what they're asking for, and if I didn't mention it earlier, they're asking 500,000 for this 2017 VW. So anyways, the side here again looking pretty okay. The front here the vehicle here looking pretty okay, no signs of damages. They're looking pretty good. You see me, the interior of the vehicle here looking pretty okay, and if we take a closer look, we can see that this look like it's a gearbox. So it look like it's a gearbox vehicle right there. You see me, me personally it's not really a fan of gearbox vehicle, but if maybe you are, so yes man, so they did not post any more pictures of this vehicle but what we are going to do, we're going to read what they had to say in the description. So they said engine and gearbox solid, just need an engine mount and a fan switch. So that seems like a pretty minor, like a quick fix there. Those are some really minor things for a mechanic to deal with. As you remember, a gearbox, an engine mount and a fan switch, that these are very quick fix. So if you are interested in this 2017 VW selling for 500,000, you probably could get for like 450 if you know if you negotiate them, man. But what we are going to do, we are just going to move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have a 2012 Mazda Premacy. This one is selling for 700,000. The price is a bit high, me that thing for the Mazda Premacy for being in this video, but me just have showing it anyways because we are here anyways though. So anyways, straight off of the bat, we can tell to the front of the vehicle looking pretty okay, no signs of damages. They're looking pretty okay. The headlight is the slightest bit faded, but with something we would have lived with, and the interior here looking super clean, nothing out of the usual. They're looking really clean. You see me, the back of the vehicle here looking pretty okay as well. We can see like piece of the door angle and the trunk angle, if I say is broken there, but it's not like nothing major. Me that probably live with that. The back seat here looking really good, not out of the usual. The seats are in pretty good condition, and the side here the vehicle here looking pretty good as well. Nothing we're talking about in the side here looking super clean. Everything is black on black. Steel wheels, nothing special, nothing fancy, but it does look pretty okay. And the other side of the vehicle here looking pretty good as well. Nothing we're talking about there. So they did not post any more pictures of this 2012 Mazda Premacy selling for 700,000, but this is what they had to say about it. So they said engine and transmission solid, water, AC, condenser, automatic door, price is slightly negotiable. So if I'm going to say slightly negotiable, that means that they might take off something small amount, half of it. You see what I mean? So anyway, take it, me I assume say them might take off maybe a 50,000. So you know, so that being said, you probably get for like 650 or somewhere around there. If you know if you negotiate, you could probably get it for a little less. But what we are gonna do, we are just gonna move on to the next one.